MSNBC as the U.S. women's softball team takes on Canada. At 2 a.m., USA begins 10 hours of coverage featuring Kobe, LeBron, and the U.S. men's basketball team against Greece, live at 8 a.m. MSNBC has 12 hours of coverage kicking off at 5 a.m. Yeah! Boxing is back on CNBC at 5 p.m. And at 6, Oxygen brings you an inside look ahead to the women's all-around final. Go online to NBCOlympics.com for live streaming coverage of 19 different Olympic sports. The 2008 Olympic Games are on the networks of NBC.
For more live swimming in Beijing, and we're back with it in a moment.
People think the terms SUV and fuel economy don't mix. The truth is, a new Acura Clear crossover has better fuel economy than Acura MDX. It has an EPA estimated 24 highway MPG, and unlike the Acura, Enclave seats up to 8. Look it up. Plus, get the best coverage in America.
Qualified buyers now get 2.9% APR financing for 60 months plus $750 purchase bonus cash on any 2008 Buick Enclave. See your local Buick Pontiac GMC dealer.
For years, all you cared about was winning the gold. So who'd have ever thought the biggest prize of your life would be soft and pink? Having a baby changes everything.
Fridays this fall.
3 people chose.
Try the ball. Do you know where it's at?
Why is that? Because everything is connected.
Oh, here we go.
The show called Life returns.
Who are you people?
Detectives.
He said he'd done time. Trippy, huh?
Television's most fascinating detective.
It's not who they were, it's where they were.
Solving the most unusual cases.
Please.
Frozen solid. Maybe I can bring it back.
The show called Life returns Fridays this fall on NBC.
The unique virtual technology which you've been enjoying during NBC Olympics coverage is brought to you exclusively by GE, Imagination at Work.
Back live at the water cube. 3 more finals in swimming for you tonight. And we are ready for the next of those finals. The women's 200-meter butterfly. Jessica Schiffer of Australia is the favorite. She is the world record holder. Misty Hyman's gold medal swim in Australia back in 2000, still holding up as the American record. And there is Schiffer, 21 years old. Bronze earlier in these games in the 100-meter distance, world champion in 07. And Schiffer looking forward to...
She's not much in a playful mood tonight.
Olympic gold, perhaps, but